Now we can find there find here the filter option, sleep medicine. Now we would uh, we would like to show you hot remedies. There are only hot remedies: spongia tosta. uh, Come to back, mb thermal medicine. Here are 12 ambithermal medicine: Marxal, natum salve, alumina, calcrea salve, calcrea, calisalve, natum carb, thuja, cinnaberis, clematis, magnesia carb, mesurium, zincum, etc. Dear friends and well-wisher of homeopathy who would like to reportize by classic 8, we have to basic knowledge on classic 8. Here are some icon we can find. If you want to know about the medicine, suppose you are thinking the medicine, um, correct medicine is arsenic, so you want to know about more about arsenic, so you have to just click on the rubrics bar, then um, now keynotes. The keynotes already appeared to you on your screen, so it's emerging. So you will say the difference, modalities, mind, and so on. Even you will find the remedy relationship too. So classic 8 is so nice and useful repertories for you. You can use our Bengali language tutorial also found. You can find us on YouTube, Dr. md.ferdous. So thanks everybody. If you want and if you like our channels, you can subscribe and you can comment as you want. Thank you, my students, friends, well-wisher of homeopathy. I would like to present to you next time with valuable lecture on English. This is my first lecture on English on YouTube. So if you any mistake, we would like to correct it correct next time. Thank you everybody. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.